Welcome back to my channel everyone. I'm Hirokin. You're watching my YouTube channel Bankura. If you have not subscribed yet, consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for further updates. So it's 4:30 a.m. and today is December 20th. Yeah, and I'm leaving for my South India ride. This ride got almost cancelled, but the last we are all set for the ride. Everything is packed. I'll just bind few things in the bike and I'll wrap up. Well, I'm not going solo. I'm going with Addy. Addy is coming. Addy is on his way. He will come and we'll go off. So yeah. So it's 5:09 in the morning and the weather is very cold out here. It's around 9 degrees and fog बहुत ही ज़्यादा हो रखा है. And Prithvi and Shubir, as usual, they are coming with us to see off, and they will assist us till Ghoshpukur, that is around 20 kilometers from here, and then they will come back. And the fog is really gonna make some problem. Anyways, nevertheless, it's 5:09 in the morning, and today's destination is Balasore, Odisha. And we'll cover Balasore in 16, 17, 18 hours maybe, because Balasore is 769 kilometers from here. The 769 kilometers, 18 hours estimated Google's time, but I don't think so. But I don't think so 17 hours में पहुंच पाएंगे, because जहाँ तक मुझे पता है the roads are completely bad. It's now 9:16 a.m. almost 4 hours. Okay, Mataji. Anyways, so 4 hours and we have done 160 kilometers, including our breakfast. So the ride was pretty slow all this time, and I hope कि अभी राइड थोड़ा फास्ट हो सकता है, क्योंकि अभी 4 लेन हाईवे में कनेक्ट किया हो. एंड 30 किलोमीटर्स देयर इज़ 4 लेन फाइन, एंड 30 किलोमीटर्स इट्स 4 लेन. एंड उसके बाद आई विल रीच भागलपुर, देन झारखंड, देन ओडिशा. सो आई एम इन बिहार राइट नाउ. वेदर इज प्रीटी कोल्ड. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोज़. ए गूगल माता, आप मुझे कहाँ से लेके जा रहे हो? Anyways guys, 10:58 a.m. Done around 200-ish kilometers. 420 kilometers to Kharagpur, and probably will stay the night in Kharagpur only, because अगर बालासोर जाए तो बालासोर जाते जाते बहुत रात हो जाएगा, and I don't want to ride at late nights.
So I think Kharagpur will be a good option. चलाने में अभी मज़ा आ रहा है because the temperature is very pleasant. It's not cold right now. It's pleasant. Fog भी चला गया but थोड़ा नींद आ रहा है because last night I slept only for 2.5 hours. So that much sleep is not enough for this kind of big rides. अगर नींद ज़्यादा लगने लगे तो I'll stop in a dhaba and rest for a while. So उतना तो है नहीं अभी, जितना भी है I can manage. It will go. So the roads. Oh, talking about the roads are okay. सिंगल लेन रोड है एंड आप देख सकते हो रोड का हालत कितना है. बच्चे आ रहे, गाँव, बकरी, भैंस, साइकिल सब कुछ बीच में आ रहे हैं रास्ते के. सो वी couldn't maintain a good speed. We are going at a very slow pace and ऐसे अगर चले तो बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा खड़गपुर पहुंचने में. आज रात हो जाएगा पहुंचते. So it's 1:17 PM and done around 350 kilometers. More 350 kilometers to Kharagpur. Well, I am in Bihar right now, as you guys know. Well, I've crossed Bhagalpur and it's been a quite while now. And I'm just about to enter Jharkhand and I'll be reaching Dumka city. And again after crossing Bihar and Jharkhand I'll be entering West Bengal via Asansol. So yeah, West Bengal का मैप ऐसा ही है कि एक जगह से निकलो बिहार झारखंड होके फिर वेस्ट बंगाल में घुस सकते हो तुम. Well, Asansol and then Kharagpur. Half of the distance is covered, more half to go. It's already 1:30, almost 1:30 PM. रात हो जाएगा 10 साढ़े 10 तो easily बजेगा because we'll stop for the lunch break as well. And ये देखो. And the thing is the road conditions are really bad and single lane road है. Conditions are also very bad. We couldn't at all maintain a good speed. 60 का एवरेज भी नहीं हो रहा है. 50-55 का एवरेज तक जा पा रहा हूँ मैं. It's hard to take the bike till 80s. It's a part of the journey. कभी smooth roads, beautiful roads मिलेंगे, कभी मिलेंगे ऐसे खराब roads. ये खराब नहीं था, खराब part थोड़ा बहुत क्रॉस कर चुका मैं. And this is a part of the journey and I have to accept it. And I'm yeah, it's fun. It's fun, you know. It's the pleasure of riding. You can ride sometime in good terrain, sometime in bad terrain, but at the end you were exploring new places, new roads, right? Just look at this part of Bihar, man. It's so beautiful. Wow. एकदम यूपी जैसा लग रहा है ये तो. यूपी में लखनऊ साइड में जो विलेजेस है ना हाईवे के साइड से, वो ऐसे ही है एकदम. बहुत सुंदर है, बहुत सुंदर है.
$450 kilometers out of Siliguri. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm on the way. I'll enter. I'm in Bihar right now, and I'll enter Jharkhand right now. After 10 kilometers, I guess I'll enter Jharkhand. The roads are horrible. Single lane road, बहुत ही गंदा हालत है. और ये रोड मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टायर्ड कर रहा है क्योंकि 350-400 किलोमीटर्स में इतना टायर्ड मैं पहले कभी नहीं हुआ. I have entered Jharkhand and the road conditions are improved. Well, अभी 80 के ऊपर स्पीड मेंटेन कर सकता हूँ मैं शायद, अगर ज़्यादा ट्रक्स नहीं होंगे तो, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रक्स है रोड पे. एंड ये ट्रक्स को ओवरटेक करने में ही बहुत टाइम निकल रहा है. और
झारखंड में रोड्स अच्छे हैं, अभी तक तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं रोड्स. The roads are good, the scenery is good, Eddie is looking beautiful. Yeah, bro. Beautiful. Nice, very nice. Whoa. So I've reached Dhanbad, 2:36 p.m. The pace is increasing, baby. Yeah. So we have entered West Bengal. West Bengal के अंदर आ चुके हैं, and the sun is setting down over here. Asansol is more 50 kilometers and Kharagpur is more 200 kilometers, and the roads again went bad. So मुझे पता नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा खड़गपुर पहुंचने के लिए, because it's 200 kilometers and the roads are horrible right now.
अभी बजे शाम के 5 and I just crossed Asansol and I stopped for the lunch at 5 in the evening because I wanted to cover as much distance possible in the daylight. That's why खाना नहीं खाया, अभी लंच के लिए रुके हैं, तो जल्दी से खाना खाएंगे and we will fly off.
So done with our lunch and it's now what's the time? The time is 5:52 in the evening, and we are leaving for Bishnupur because the locals here said after Bishnupur the roads are not at all good. We are not going to Kharagpur. Bishnupur is 100 kilometers before Kharagpur, and we are going there because after Bishnupur the locals said that after Bishnupur the roads are not safe. जंगल के बीच में से रास्ता है, and they are not safe at all. So we are planning to stay back in Bishnupur, and tomorrow early in the morning we'll probably leave and head towards Vizag. So that's the plan. Bike में तो ऐसे होता ही रहता है. Everything is unpredictable, so yeah. Let's continue, and रात हो गया, nothing to show. I'll just skip this highway and I'll see you when I reach Bishnupur. Goodbye.
We reached Bishnupur, Bankura around 8:30 at night. We were completely exhausted by then. It was quite a task finding a good hotel, but we ended up finding a nice homestay and we stayed there overnight. The next episode is gonna be upon the ride from Bishnupur, then Kharagpur, then into Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Chilka, and ended up in Vizag.